Good morning, students. Welcome to General Science class. Now, in this class, we discuss about sedimentation and decantation. What is the process of sedimentation and what is the process of decantation? What is the definition of the process of sedimentation? Sedimentation means the process of sedimentation is the separation of sand and mud particles from the mixer Okay, students, the process of the process of separation of sand and mud particles from the mixer. Such process is called sedimentation. Okay, students, what is the sedimentation? Sedimentation is the process of separation of sand and mud particles. The process of separation of sand and mud particles from the mixer. Such process is called sedimentation. The concept of sedimentation we can understand. You will conduct a small activity. In this activity, we take an empty glass tumbler. This is a glass tumbler. Next one is, this is the water. Next one is, we collect the soil. Okay, students, what are you take? We understand the concept of sedimentation. First one, take a glass tumbler. Next one is that water. Third one is a sand. Okay, students, first now we take water. The water will take into a glass tumbler. Okay, students, now the water is taken glass tumbler, and to adding soil to soil is adding to the water. and and stirred well the soil. After stirring process, we'll keep it this glass tumbler with constant, that is without any disturbance. This glass tumbler is put in constant without any disturbance. We will leave it for some time. What do you notice? What do you notice? Okay, students, what do you notice that? What do you notice that? This is the mixture of soil. The mixture of the soil. We notice that the heavier particles are, that is the sand and the mud particles are, they are settled at the bottom of a glass tumbler. Okay, students, had clearly visible the sand and the mud particles, they are settled at the bottom of the glass tumbler. The sand and mud particles are called sediments. Sediments. Okay, students, sand and mud particles. The sand and mud particles are settled at, where is it, the bottom of glass tumbler. This sand and mud particles is called sediment. Is called sediments. Called sediments. Now, after this mud and particles, sand particles are settled at the bottom of glass tumbler. After this glass tumbler is lifted out and the tip of this glass tumbler is put at the edge of another beaker. Now the sediments of the glass tumbler is lifted at the edge of another beaker and it is inclined, and to separate that the water from these sediments. Okay, students, the process of separation of water from these sediments. Now we separate water from these sediments. Okay, students, the sand and the mud particles are settled at the bottom of glass tumbler. This sand and mud particles is called sediments, and to separation of water into another beaker. This process is called decantation. Okay, students, what is that decantation? What is the process of decantation? What is the process of decantation? Decantation means separation of the process of separation of water from sediments. This process is called process is called decantation. Is called decantation. Okay, students. The process of sedimentation and decantation, it is used in our daily life situations at our home. That is the cleaning of rice, the cleaning of pulses before cooking rice and pulses. This is the very important separation technique method, sedimentation and decantation. But once again, what is the sedimentation? Sedimentation is the process of separation of sand and mud particles from the mixture of soil. Such process is called sedimentation. What is that decantation? Decantation is the process of separation of water from sediments. This process is called decantation. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue next class. Thank you, students.